Vatican, symbol of the power and wealth of the Church, the cradle of the Catholic Christian faith, and the residence of the Pope, a treasure trove of artworks from different eras. It is truly a state within a state. Our audio guide will tell you about all of this, unfolding the story of this state, small in size but very influential on the world stage. We'll guide you through the unique Vatican museums, tell you about religious artifacts and the priceless works of art from Europe and around the world stored in these museums. All of these amazing treasures have been gathered by the Roman Catholic Church for more than 5 centuries, starting from the 16th century. Now, the Vatican museums occupy an enormous area. Just imagine 1,400 halls which have exhibits from 20 museums. And they themselves are also grandiose monuments. It's impossible to cover them all at once. Therefore, our route will pass through some of the most famous and important ones. We will visit the Pio Clementino Museum, pass through the Gallery of the Chandeliers and the Gallery of the Geographical Maps, see the amazing Raphael's rooms, the world-famous statues of Apollo Belvedere and the Laocoon. Together with you, we will admire paintings of the Sistine Chapel and visit one of the most beautiful cathedrals in the world, St. Peter's Basilica. In short, be prepared for some bright new impressions.